Got my baby off to school, and y'all know what? I'm proud of me so far, because last night I had to be so intentional. Sorry, I got the heat on. About my choices. I was about to sit and scroll and scroll and scroll and watch videos mindlessly, which I did find myself doing for like maybe 5 minutes, and then I was like, you know what? I'm not doing this again, because I realized I was going through these cycles where I'm really good, and then I'm like going to bed on time, and then I go through this part of my cycle again where I want to sit and just doom scroll and stuff and just binge watch other people's content. So last night I caught myself scrolling a couple of times, and I was like, you know what? We're not doing this tonight. I'm gonna put my phone away and I'm gonna go to sleep. And I did that. And which actually led me to waking up on time. My throat. I probably should go home and get some hot tea or something today, because I sound raspy. But yes, I'm proud of myself. And then this morning I was intentional again, because I was about to do it again. I didn't realize how much of a habit it is for me to scroll on my phone. And I'm not even on my phone doing that often, but I will do it sometimes at night when I don't want to take the time to just lay in the bed and listen to my own thoughts. That's when I'll do it. And then I also will do it sometimes in the morning if I feel like I'm waking up super, super early and I have extra time. So I realized that's what I'm doing. I'm filling my time or my quiet space with scrolling. So I stopped myself again this morning, and also where I knew I should have been listening to the Bible, because I was like, God, what kind of video would you put in front of me today? And I was like, you know what? The best content from God, or if anything, would be the Word of God. So I need to open my Bible app, stop avoiding the Bible today. I'm being real, y'all. Stop avoiding the Bible today. Open the Bible app at least. Pray, and just put my phone away. And then my aunt sends a song today. She sent Grateful by Hezekiah Walker, which I've heard 1,000 times. So I just played it, and I was like, I really do hope this could last my workout this morning. And it did. It was like, it lasted almost the whole 10-minute mommy pooch workout this morning. I think I had like 15 seconds of just quiet at the end, but it was absolutely perfect. So I think I'm just grateful of making positive decisions on my own today. And I know, you grown, you're supposed to be able to do that stuff on your own, but realistically, you don't always do what you should do, and you actually know what you should be doing. So I'm just proud, because I was doing that today. And got my baby to school on time with everything. I'm ready on time, she's ready, got her lunch made, she's at school on time. And now I'm going to head back home and just make sure that others are also ready for their day, while I make a plan of action for my own. So see you guys again soon. And drop off. Okay, thank you. I always need those. Thank you. You have a good one. You too. Go through my stuff. Okay, just like no. Hey, I'm back home. I need to find a space to sit and talk. Hold on one second. Okay. Messages. All right, so I went to Ross. They had a lot of stuff, but a lot of stuff for Christmas, like gift things. If you guys are looking for stuff, Ross is a good place. I did not buy anything, even though we are getting ready to have a Grinch brunch for Christmas time. So we're all supposed to be wearing Grinch themed pajamas. I did see a pair for my youngest son, but I didn't buy them today. I only made my returns and then left the store. I was gonna buy gift paper too, but looking at this roll, it's still pretty thick. I think this might be all I use this Christmas time. Plus I have gift bags and it's reversible, so I can use the other side for like adult presents. I'm sure my kids probably tired of seeing this paper, but you know, it is what it is. We're gonna use it till it's gone. So I went to the eye doctor too. I got my glasses. This is my new prescription in here. And then they told me that to get my other pair done, I have to pay another $200 something. So I was like, you know what, that's fine. If I would have known, I would have actually just got my other pair with a prescription and then left this one, you know, without the updated prescription. But it's fine, because for me, my glasses, I realized it's supposed to be like anti-glare and something else, plus the new prescription. It helps me, but it really just makes like my vision clearer. Like this, I didn't realize how foggy things look, a little bit foggy, and it's just like wiping the glass clean. If my eyeballs were a glass, you know. So anyways, yeah, I was like, that's it. That's fine. I'll just take these. I won't pay for that one today. And if I want to get it done later on, I'll do that. Because I actually like the other pair better. But it is what it is. So that's done. I still have returns here. I have like clothes that I bought for my baby from Target that she can't fit. So I wanted to see if I can return them, even though it's past the return window. So if you know anything about that at Target, please let me know. I was thinking that I can just still bring them in and maybe they can give me like a gift receipt or a gift card or something for it that I could use in the store, I hope, because everything still has tags on them. And then I have a Walmart return my sandals from my Miami trip that were a little bit too small. I really want to exchange them, but I know being back home, they will not have the same sandals here. So I just have to return them and get my money back. And then I pulled our tree. Let me show you. So our Christmas tree is here. It's a little one. This one is 6.5 foot. It's a pre-lit tree. So it's a little bit smaller than our other tree that's in the garage. It's like a 7 foot. But I got it. I put it here because we're going to put it up tonight. We're going to move the toys here and then put the tree up over here. So yeah. And I decided to leave. I put this up for Gio's birthday. But it's going to match our like Dr. Seuss theme, so I'm gonna keep these up for the party. And yeah, just put the tree up and start decorating our house. As it is December, today is actually December 2nd, and I do like to have our it's second. It's the 3rd. It's the 3rd. Oh, it's my brother's birthday. I don't think he watched my videos, but just in case, I'm wishing him a very, very happy birthday, and I pray that his year is better than it has been in previous years. May God bless you. But yeah, I was thinking I should eat something even though I don't feel hungry. What I typically do is make something small anyway, so that when I do start feeling hungry as I'm working, I don't have to stop and get up and eat something. So I think today, I'm thinking about that chicken maple sausage that I bought from Aldi. I don't know, but I don't feel super hungry. I don't know. My stomach actually feels a little bit like off. It's not the best feeling right now. So we'll see what I come up with. Honey, should have got a long way to get you. Oh, yeah, you're making me high, honey. So I already checked my work. That's why I'm logging in a little bit later. It is 11:08, and right now there is really not a lot. Wait, that's the right one. Not a lot for me to do. Oops. Let me try something though. I think I changed my password. You're making me think. What is the password? Hey guys, I'm here. I'm here in the dark. That's my glasses and my face in case you can't tell. I know it's dark, but I decided to just start recording anyway because of just how I'm feeling and because I feel like it'll make sense. So, what was happening? I got home after picking the kids up from Okay, 1 second. My baby daddy calling me. Okay, I'm still here. So, what was I saying? Oh, I picked up the kids from school, got home, and then my fiance wanted to drop off the car to the shop. Well, back. Okay, I feel like I'm not explaining this well. Let's start over. So this evening, I feel like the enemy has been trying to get me, and not just me, but have a hold on me and my family. And I don't even know if it's that or if there's some other issues that we need to address as a family. But today, when I got home from picking the kids up from school, there was like a little bit of drama because, number one, my best friend locked herself out of the house. And then number two, my fiance said the dealership had asked him to return the car or they were going to start charging him for the loaner car that we have while our car is in the shop. They're saying insurance is not going to cover it anymore and he's going to have to start paying for it if he doesn't turn it in. So he was kind of adamant about getting it turned in today. So I mentioned, because I had the car, that, you know, I can go drop off, let my best friend enter her house because I have a spare key, and then take this car to the shop and get our car, you know. So it seemed like there was miscommunication between the two of us. So he basically was saying to me he wanted to do it himself, and I didn't understand that that's what he was saying. So long story short, we kind of just went back and forth, and it just made me feel like poor spirited. I just felt like super unhappy about it. Then we got home, and it seems like it was just a domino effect. Like, it became a riffle between, like, in my house, like, with other people. So it just, you know, what I can say is the growth that I've had this year, because of my journey lately, because I've been connecting so much more in prayer and learning how to find peace and learning how to respond, being slower to respond and react. I felt peace. I felt at control during all of that. Like, my old self would have been like a whole different person, like irate, like cursing, just out of control. But where I was tonight showed that I've grown a lot in my mindset, and like just the ability to find peace and reconnect with what, you know, with where I am today with God and with like everything. So I was really happy about that. I was happy that I wasn't mad, you know, because anger can make you do things that you don't want to do. It can make you say things you don't want to say to people. So I was making sure that I felt slow to speak. I felt at peace while everything was happening. I was hearing it. I heard it all. I was taking it in to learn from it. It was different. It wasn't like to be combative today. And I felt grateful. I can only give that glory to God for growing me, for changing me, for just molding me. I'm grateful to be a mom to teens now, and they should be grateful to to have the mother that I am today, because a whole different me. So yeah, okay, let me let my daughter know I'm here really quickly because I'm outside. Okay, yeah, but the car in front of me just gave me a little bit of light on my face. But yes, you guys, that situation, what does that say? Happy mom? Their license plate says happy mom. Anyway, that's so interesting. But yeah, I felt like that. That's how I felt. I felt like a happy mom today. But not happy, but just a little more peaceful. So yeah, that was that moment. And then I still did my 45. So back in the day, when I felt angry, one thing that I would do right away would be to leave. Like, if I was upset, if there was some strife at home, I would take my babies, if I was with my babies, and I would go for a walk. And then tonight, I did know that I had to do the 45-minute walk. But instead of me walking out of anger, I was going to walk on the treadmill and edit a video or just watch something. So I went out, and then I decided to just instead go back home. So I stayed home, and I probably did show you guys that last clip of where I just walked, and I did my 45 minutes. And now I'm at a place where I'm still doing 45, but now I just ramped up the miles per hour. So instead of it being 2 and 2.5, now I'm doing 3 miles per hour, so that I can hit 2 miles within that time period that I'm on a treadmill. So yeah, I did that. I watched the recent vlog from Maya Galore. I like her channel, and was able to just like calm down. You know, I felt better. I felt at ease. At least I could say a little bit. So then I text my fiance, even though I didn't feel the happiest at first with him, and I invited him out to dinner. I wanted to go get dinner and drinks because he's been talking about going to have steak. And it's probably Maya Galore's vlog that made me want to go out and have drinks. So I was thinking about that, like going out to get drinks and steak, to see if he wanted to do that later. But we'll see, because the place is open until 10 and it's 7, so we really do have time to do both. I want to also put up the Christmas tree with the babies tonight, because that's one thing. Oh, sorry, y'all can't see me. I think y'all can see me there. Because put up the Christmas tree tonight, because that's one thing I mentioned that I would do with my kids. And I don't like breaking promises. At where I am now, I don't like breaking promises, especially to them. So yeah, we'll see. I feel like I can go home and decorate the tree within an hour and then get dressed, because right now I'm still wearing the teddy bear outfit. Get dressed and then go out if we decide to go out. If not, that's okay too, but I'd rather do it at night than tomorrow, because I feel like I'm just gonna have to be working tomorrow. Oh, speaking of work, I have to process one more payment before I even go out tonight, if we go out. But yeah, I just had to insert that part, and I know it's dark, but it was just important for me, like while I'm in quiet, nobody else is here, to just express that peace, you know, that peace that I felt in that moment. So yeah, anyway, I'm sure my daughter's coming out soon, so I'll see you guys soon.